Hello, everyone. This is Al Zanati from Zanati Coding. Today, we're going to continue with HTML and CSS lessons. Last time we talked about CSS. We talked about how we can use CSS to style your website. And so we did that last time. Today, we're going to talk about some more HTML tags. We're going to be talking about emphasis tags. Two of them. Okay, so let's go ahead and share our screen so we can show you and explain to you how you can use those tags and how are they used. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and use the same website we used last time, the one we created, and we use CSS to style it. We added color to it, and also we changed the text or the font size. So today we're going to be using the strong tag and the EM tag. Strong tag is to make your to make a sentence or words bold, so to emphasize them and make them stand out. EM makes the word italic, and of course we use that for emphasis. So to emphasize some important words or sentences. Also, it's really helpful for blind people who use like screen readers or AI to read for them. So the AI or the screen reader kind of translates or interprets those words for them, so they will know that it is being emphasized, and it's really helpful to do that. So let's go ahead and look at the website on the left side that we created, odd world records, and decide which sentences we would like to, emphasize and make it bold. So I'm thinking maybe we should like emphasize the first sentence of every paragraph. So for example, we'll look at one right here, talks about M&Ms. So this one says the most M&Ms eaten in 1 minute blindfolded is 20 and was achieved by Ashrita Furman from the USA at Shri Chimnoy Center in New York. So let's go ahead and emphasize the first part of the sentence. So we're going to go from, the most to this comma right here, right after USA. So we are going to go ahead and use a strong tag. So let's go to the right side now. And so add the strong tag right here. So we're going to go ahead and use angle bracket, of course, strong. And as soon as we do this, it gives us the closing tag. We know that VS Code helps us doing that. So we're going to go ahead and take it out and put it right after USA, like where we decided it would be. And as soon as I do this, you can look at the left side and you see that the first sentence is being emphasized. Now we would like to emphasize maybe a word or two. So for example, I'm looking here where it says blindfolded. Maybe we need to emphasize that one, make it italic. So we're going to go ahead and use the EM tag. So we're going to go to the blindfolded right here, this word. We're going to go ahead and use the EM tag to make it italic to emphasize it. And let's go ahead and take this out of here and put it after, that's the closing tag, or to wrap it around blindfolded. It's missing the angle bracket right here for some reason. So let's go ahead and add the angle bracket. Yeah, so let's clean up our code. Here you go. So when I do this, you can see now that the word blindfolded is being italicized, and it's now being emphasized. Okay, so let's go ahead and use the same tags on the next paragraph here, the second paragraph or the second record, largest bubble blown. So it says here, Chad fell, USA, from the USA, blew a bubble gum bubble with a diameter of 50.5 centimeters, 20 inches, without using his hands at the Double Springs High School. Okay, we'll do the same thing. So we'll go to Chad right here, and we're gonna use a strong. And so we're gonna go ahead and put it after high school, the word school. So there you go. So we italicized, I mean, we made the first sentence bold, and there is a little issue here where it says Chad. Okay, we'll take that angle bracket out, or greater than out. Now our code is clean. And maybe we need to emphasize the word without using, or the words without using his hands. So go ahead and we use EM. And wrap it around hands, or his hands. And here we go. Now, without using his hands is italicized. And now the screen reader will actually recognize this and will know that, oh yeah, this person did this without using his hands. Very important. Okay, very good. So let's move on to the next paragraph. And let's go ahead and use a strong tag. So we're gonna practice it now. So strong. And here is a closing tag. We're gonna just take it out of this area, and let's go ahead and put it around or right after. Oh yeah, let's italicize the whole sentence. 2009. Okay, so 2009. Okay. All right, so do we have any words that needs to be italicized? Maybe, all right, let's read it and see. The longest hula hooping marathon by an individual using a single hoop is 74 hours and 54 minutes and was achieved by Aaron Hips. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and italicize the word achieved because it's really cool. I mean, achieved. So let's go here and do EM. And of course, take the closing tag out. Of course, the VS Code does that for us, but it's gonna annoying sometimes, but okay, we can just cut and paste it behind achieved. And as you see on the left side, it's italicized. Okay, so another tag that I would like to use today is line break. Okay, so let's go ahead and line break, like you press enter in when you're writing a paragraph or something to start from the beginning of the line or the start of the line. So I'm going to go ahead and use that right here. So let's go ahead and use a break, the line break. Okay, so and it is BR, and of course you close it. And as you see, you notice that, of course, when you did that, okay, it should start. We actually put it in the wrong place. So let's go back to Aaron, not over. So that's okay. Good to see. All right. And as you do this, you see Aaron, okay. The sentence that starts with Aaron, basically it went down one line. So just like as if you pressed enter. Okay, so very good. And as you notice that BR does not have a closing tag because you do not have to put anything between the opening tag and the closing tag. So just an opening tag. Okay, you don't have to have a closing tag. All right, maybe we need to do this as well. Okay, so we start where it says over 100 people helped him through the impressive feat, and he secured the record after no one had been it for 25 years. So let's go ahead and start this. Start a new line. Okay. And as you see, it moved over 100 people to the next line. okay, under it. So, and maybe we need to emphasize the word impressive. Okay, so here we can go ahead and use EM tag. And as you see, again, VS Code is helping us out. We can just cut it and put it behind impressive. And as soon as we do this, you see that it's italicized. So these were the couple of tags, or the two tags I would like to talk to you about. Strong and EM. Okay, strong makes the sentence or the word is bold, and EM makes it italicized or italic, and that to emphasize the importance of these words. Okay, so that was it. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please go ahead and if you like this video, please click like and share, and very important to subscribe to this channel if you like what you just watched and saw, so I can do more. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.